Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to turn off power saving mode on Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go into our search bar and then search for Control Panel. After doing so, we're going to click on Open. And then in this part, we're going to click on Hardware and Sound. After that, click on Power Options. And then we're going to click on Create a Power Plan. So as you can see right here on the selected plan, we only have two options, which is this one. So what we want to do is to create a new power plan. And then in this part, you should be able to see three options right here. However, in my case, I only have one. So if you see a high performance option, make sure that you click that. And then if you want to change your plan name, it's up to you, but I will just leave it as it is. And then click on next. After that, in this part, what we're going to do is to set this to never. So we're going to turn this all to never. And then once you do that, what we're going to do is to click on create. And then we're going to click on change plan settings. After that, click on change advanced power settings. And then in this part, we're going to click on hard disk and then turn off hard disk after. And then in this part, we're going to turn this into 0 minute. Same goes for the plugged in one. So click on enter. Once you do that, you should now be able to see that all of them are set to never. And then click on OK once again. And then once you do that, just click on save changes. And then just restart your PC by going here. And then once you click on restart, that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.